Maverick Indicators here. We are just having too much dang fun on a Friday. So I'm going to make this really quick because I've already posted 2 trades. We've taken options trades, futures trades today. We're testing some of our upcoming indicators. So I've been in front of my charts all day, which has totally led me to overtrade. But man, we are just having so much fun. Just want to show you this trade here that I'm in on a funded account right here. Gosh, I'm in 2 itty bitty micros of CL, 2 itty bitty micros. I am making, was it $1 a tick per contract? That's crazy. And I'm up over 350 bucks. Why am I in this trade, or why did I get into it? A+ setup from the ultimate trading assistant, the Maverick Radar. It's going through our entire checklist of everything we look for from our indicators to take a trade. And it gives me no setup, a B setup, or an A+ setup. And we got an A+ setup. Look at all these buy signals down here yelling at me to get in. Way back here, I waited until we were up here. But look at all of these buy signals. Buy, 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 buy. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way. Green background, the bulls have been in control all the way since about 11:40 this morning. All 5 traders, these are algorithms, but think of them as traders, all 5 traders with a completely different style. They're all voting across 6 time frames. They're all bullish. It's just unbelievable. So really, really cool to enter 2 micros, probably risked, I would say somewhere around $20 to $30 on this trade. So think about that, $20 to $30. Okay, I'm already 10x my risk, 10x my risk with the reward. Now it is Friday at 3:30, so I'm gonna just be watching this level right here because we could just get hung up on it and not really pass it, and then I might just like close it out. You know, if I could pull 400 bucks out of this trade, I'll be happy. I mean, that's pretty dang cool to make 400 bucks on 2 micros. I will all day long risk $20 to $30 and make 300 bucks. Any day of the week, I will risk 20 to 30 bucks, and I could lose 5 times in a row and still make profit. You understand? But this is what edge looks like. And look, now we're bouncing off that level here. We're bouncing off this level that I just drew, and you got downgraded to a B setup. So when do I get in? When do I get out? How about getting in on an A setup and getting out on a B setup? Okay, but we still have bright green candles, so this is really interesting. I'll keep at least 300 bucks of this, but guys, I want you to think about this. If we were in minis like we normally trade, we'd be up over $3,000, $3,000. But it's Friday. I just set it and forget it. I took this trade, and it's nothing I've been watching since we got in. I've just been letting it kind of ride. So man, taking 400 bucks on 2 micros, I want you to understand how far a trade has to go on a $1 per tick profit margin. It's insane. These are insane moves. And this is what clear vision. So if you would like your charts where you got signals screaming at you to get in before the move even happens, if you want your candles colored to the actual data, not to price and direction, look at this, we're at 2 micros, we're over 400 bucks. Price is colored to the data, not to price and direction, meaning bright green is your strongest upside candle. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. Look at this thing, bright green. This is the 5-minute chart. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. It's just unbelievable. You haven't really had a lot of downside data on CL, on the 5-minute at least. Unbelievable. But this is what clear vision looks like. This is edge in the market. When you have indicators that color your candles to the data, whether it's buying or selling, when you're trading with 5 other traders across 6 time frames and you're getting their vote every single tick, when you have something like the ultimate trading assistant giving you when there is an A+ setup, whether it's to the upside or downside, when you got signals screaming at you when to get in, folks, this is edge. Okay, this is edge. So listen, if you want edge in the market, if you want clearer charts, come check us out. All right, come check us out. Never financial advice. Do your own research, but man, this is awesome, and we got so much other cool stuff planned for you guys in 2026. So come check us out. Okay, like I always say, not for everybody, but we're having a ball. We're having a ball using these indicators. Yeah. So again, not financial advice. Do your own research. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.